The other thing I did was I put this like clear acrylic, you know, plexiglass-ish kind of material right on the sides where where the wing mounts, because I was like, man, the heck with making, you know, I put this styrofoam up here and some duct tape, but even then I'm like, man, that, you know, heaven forbid that the thing just rips out of there. So, and I wanted a real good solid fit to where nothing wiggle waggled, you know, being set the fuse is so narrow and I have so little to bite with the wing joiner. So right now what we're doing is we are doing the calculations, and thank you Dollar Tree for supplying us with everything I need for only $1 for each of these items. So widthwise, one and a quarter heavy, and this was a 2-foot segment. No, 23 1/8. So 22 1/8, 21 7/8 is what I got left. So 21 7/8. That would be 7/16 and 10 1/2 and 8/16. 7/16 is 15/16 and 10. So a hair under 11 inches. I mean, like a hair. 22, yeah. Okay, so a hair under 11 inches. So that means that far end of my wing joint should be going.